Just heading out to do a run and a recce for my marathon, ultra marathon I'm planning. Just heading out to sort of check some of the areas are runnable, or if I need to contact councils in the future to clear parts of the trails, because they might not have been cleared. I've got a year to do it, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to check out the route for the my trail marathon, and I'm going to see if some of the hedges and that need cutting back, or grass needs cutting, or whether they're maintained, some of the trails and paths. So I've got a relatively tight window to do this. I'm doing about 8 miles probably, so 2 hours, 8 miles in 2 hours should be doable. A little bit of filming and stop for a coffee as well, so yeah, get round and do it. So we just I've just come out of the actual heave. I'm on the Peddars way proper now. So yeah, so take the Peddars way up to Thorpe Woodland. For the race, I hope will continue on. I'm going to sort of turn in Thorpe Woodland and get a coffee, and then head on back. Taking a moment to take in the bird song. I don't know if you can hear it because GoPro's audio is notoriously bad. Cuckoos, chiff-chaffs and blue tits, great tits. Yeah, it's nice. On we go. That's the 1066 running through there, and you've got Garbolsham that way, Deptford that way, but Dolphin Farm is just here, and Thorpe Woodlands over there. I wouldn't mind cutting across there and through and up that way, but this is private land, so I need to get permission for that. So at the moment I'm going to carry on up through Peddars Way, which also gives me the distance of 30 miles. If I cut through there, I lose, it goes down to about 28 miles, so I want to keep it sort of around 30 to 31 miles, the actual marathon, trail marathon. These are hogweeds. Yeah, you don't want that on your skin in the sun. Right, I just crossed the 1066, which is quite a fast road, so people have to be careful on that one. I'm sure people can manage it. It's another quiet but fast road. East Harling Road, and I'm going to run through this way. Yeah, these roads, the 1066 is a busy one, but this next one, I don't know what its number is, but it's quite a small road. There's not much traffic on it, but it can be quite fast. So you just have a washout. So you wander through here. It's what they call wet weather alternative for the Peddars Way, but I'm not sure I can use it for if you're paying for an event. Yeah, so this is Court reception there and a cafe. Show you in a minute. But I would like to put an aid station up here somewhere. Not quite sure where we're going to do it. Public right way down this lane, so no problem with this lane. Again, we're back on tarmac, which I'm trying to avoid so much of, but it seems almost impossible. I'm going to follow this all the way up to the top and get onto some land that I haven't checked out yet. It's all going to be new. And again, across the 1066, coming back. It's got a gate across here, but so I might just have to go around it. Gate. I'll see if I can contact the owner, rightful owner. See if I can contact the rightful owner. See if we can get it opened on the day. So back on trail again. Then we're going to head through the woods over there. And we covered nearly 4 miles in 44 minutes. Not too bad. So we're spot on time. Need new Solomon vest. Getting a bit old now. Got to be over 10 years old. That's what I mean about checking out the routes. You got so I've just come from down there. It says that way, so I take it it's on this route here. Makes sense. Back on track, which is good. Always good to know where you are. Yeah, I've not run down this part before, so there you go. There's a arrow here for some reason. Maybe it was a course already. What road? So let's see what this is. No, it's just a good old footpath. Yeah, so there's arrows turning, blue arrows on the ground, which I try to avoid when I do mine, but it might be the landowner, so anyway, I don't know if it's part of the St Edmunds Way or not. Can't really blow my map up or down enough to find out where it is, but it goes up to East Anglia, so and then back down to Riddlesworth Hall. Anyway, I better get wriggle on. So we're peeling off this bit of track, and then we're coming on to this here, which is I think called West Harlem Woods. This looks pretty through here. So again, this is footpath, so got a right to be on it. It's public right way. Just got to check out all the public right ways and legalities on it. I've not done that yet, but just got to get in touch with public right ways, see what they say. I've got to also talk to police as well, I suppose, for the roads, get them secured. They won't be closed because they're only like lanes, narrow roads, but yeah, still a lot to do. I want to get it all done by this, well, all nailed down by this September, so I can get the tickets out ready for the following September, because it's 23rd of September 2023 the event is going to be, so we'll see where we go with that. Anyway, onwards. It's all clear so far, there's no overgrown stuff. I think these are quite well walked routes, so I also think there's horses use these as well, so it does keep it quite clear. As you can see, it's quite a busy, fast road. Well, not busy road, a fast road. Got Harlan Circular Walk there, and supposed to pop out up there, sort of like 100 yards up there, which will be here, and then we're here, so we're going that way. But if you look down there, that's I know, a bit dodgy. I suppose we could run on the road, but there is a cut through here which again I'd have to ask permission from the Forestry Commission. So what I think on the day we'll say the road, and then people cut through here for safety reasons, they cut through here. And we come out onto what I call Quiet Road. This takes you down to Riddlesworth Hall. Down that way. Which again, I'm sorry I can't steer away from the roads, but, at least downhill. Majority of it's on trails. I think I call it a multi-terrain marathon rather than a trail marathon. It's funny how when you start running these places, how you sort of, I've been around this area for 20 years now, and you sort of like recognise them, so you cross over little bits and pieces, and then you recognise them. Yeah, so I used to run through here, cut through and down that way. So yeah, down that way. But we won't be using that one. Oh, we've got battery's done on my watch as well now. 5.5 miles. I haven't done 8 miles for a long time. Feeling it a little bit. But got another 2.5 miles to go. So what we've done, just over the hour. So I think we'll be all right. 2.5 miles, yeah, easy. Let's get a bit of a jog on. Riddlesworth Hall and 1066. So we can get across this without getting killed. Well, I got across. I was really busy actually. My duty is me to Monday afternoon, so I'd expect a bit of traffic on it. Might be quiet on a Sunday. Got something in my shoe. Riddlesworth Hall in Riddlesworth Parish. So it's funny how all the little villages built up around sort of churches and halls and things like that. Well, I suppose Lord and Manor used to put the church in, and it's only a small sort of settlement here. You've got the main hall, which I'll go past in a minute, but I want to set up a second water station here, so it's quite a nice place to do it. Although the we don't go past the hall on the run, go past it today. It's nice to go through the village and past the church, and then you go up to Gasthorpe and round, which I've got to check out as well. So if I ain't doing that today, I'm running out of time pretty quickly. So yeah, we're gonna have to get a wriggle on. St Peter's Church, and yeah, don't know who's it owned by, whether it's owned by Riddlesworth Hall or whether I have to contact the church itself. That's a nice little church, typical British or English church. Don't know what year it's built, probably 1300s onwards. Yeah, it's quite a nice little parish. Back on the trail now, and it takes you to Gasthorpe. In Gasthorpe there is a church at Derrick's, but collapsing. Shame about all these walls that are falling down. stood up for years, and nowadays nobody seems to worry about them. But, wants a little bit of work done on it. Anyway, today I'm going to cut around this way. The gimbal's not doing what I want it to, so yeah, we carry on that way normally for the run, but today, because I'm running out of time, I'm going to head around here and past the hall. Beautiful building, built by Thomas Levington. Not sure when. Beautiful.